Indonesia, struck a massive earthquake which resulted in a tsunami over the Indo-Pacific region. In 2004, 24 December, a massive tsunami over 30-meter high tsunami wipes out all the areas, all the villages and towns near the coastline of the particular cities of Sumatra, and it also affected the region like Sri Lanka, India, Maldives and Thailand, which are and majorly affected areas are their coastal parts. This event is also known as Indian Ocean Tsunami. Which have an earthquake of magnitude 9.1, which is the third largest ever recorded on seismograph. In the event, the Indian plate subducting beneath the Burma plate. Speed is over 800 km per hour, like the traveling of the surface wave on the surface is 800 km. 2.5 lakh of population over the residing coastal areas in total.
Good 15-20 feet tall, easy.
Indonesia was hit the hardest amongst all.
The sea immediately receded temporarily, revealing massive coral reefs. Approximately 20 minutes later, huge black waves, about 35 meters high, appeared on the distant horizon.
Because it is the epicenter of the earthquake, and the tsunami result in a massive destruction over there. Likewise, whenever such incident happens, the humanitarian aid always refers by some countries. In this disastrous situation, 4 major democracies like India, USA, Japan and Australia combined together to provide the aid, rescue and search operations in these affected areas. In the affected 14 countries were provided with aid, medikits and the supplies needed for the well-being of the people. The effort was so much coordinated and so much balanced that it resulted in a significant step towards the humanitarian effort. These 4 major democracies were called the Tsunami Core Group. The navies of the respective 4 countries were also in coordination, and with their full effort, they were trying to help more and more people affected and to restore the infra of the destructed area. This event fostered the mutual trust between these countries and highlighted the potential for future cooperation on border security. In 2007, Shinzo Abe, the Japanese Prime Minister, inspired by the coordination, Japanese PM went towards a mutual alliance, proposed the idea of the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. The initial aim of the organization was to create a forum in which they can talk about the common interest of the territories and countries, which were like terrorism, security, disaster relief. The initial aim was to create a forum in which the countries can cooperate and solve their different issues with common interest.